Unit 15 Tours and Travels. Lesson 1 Traveling to a Village in Bangladesh. We set out on the evening of July 21st. Food was scarce in the village, so Abdul packed a suitcase with 2 loaves and some tea and tins of milk, cheese, and jam. We traveled intermediate class in a cross-country train, not uncomfortably crowded, through a country of shadowy loveliness. It was a moonlit night of broken soft clouds. The land was mostly underwater, with paddy and cocoa palms growing from it, and a few raised cart tracks and groups of cottages islanded among clumps of bushes, all reflected among shadows. Here and there was the red glow of a cooking fire or the lantern of a fisherman's boat in open water. At dawn, we reached Sonaimuri, a small canal-side station among wide fields. From there, we had 8 more miles by country boat, some of it along the canal, some of it across the flooded paddy fields. I was looking forward to that tranquil water journey in the early morning, and tranquil it must have been, for I fell instantly asleep and knew no more till we reached the landing cot at Khurshed's house. In a blaze of sunlight, it turned out that his letter saying that he was bringing me was still on his way, but they railed to the crisis and gathered round to make me welcome. Though as none of them spoke any English, they could only stare and laugh and offer me coconut juice. Khurshid set me up a camp, a wooden bed, chair, and table in a thatched bamboo outhouse. It was a lovely spot among bamboo and cocoa palms, facing a tank where fireflies wove intricate dances at night. He put his own bed beside it for protection, and there I stayed, holding permanent court from dawn to bedtime. Within village memory, and that went back for some 2 centuries, I was the first European to go there. It was too remote even for a district commissioner to pass through. Also, since I was a woman, the woman could come to look at me without losing their characters. People kept coming and coming. Only the rains and the fact that few of them were rich enough to have boats prevented them from coming from 10 miles round. When he saw that they would not stop coming, Khurshid fixed some curtains round the bed so that I could crawl behind them when I was tired of being looked at, like a zoo animal, into its sleeping hut. Even then, the little hut would fill up with women and children. Children followed when I went out, and when Khurshid remonstrated, a small boy pleaded, "Don't send us away. After she's gone, not even a strange bird will come to the village." I stood up to the celebrity for 2 days we had planned, but it was enough.